Hello, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a shortcut to amplify ambient sound function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this function and how to set up a shortcut for it. We need to go to Settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, next hearing enhancements, and here we have our amplify ambient sound function. We need headphones for this option to work, but we can set up our shortcut without headphones. So we can tap this option and now we can change our shortcut if we need one. Right now we have this function added to our accessibility shortcut at the bottom right corner of the screen. We can of course use button press if we need to, but right now I will use this one. As you can see, we have our function on our shortcuts. That's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.